Oh, this is just like the worst day ever, dude. This is the worst day ever. What's going on, guys? We pretty much picked the worst day possible to go riding. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's been raining pretty much all day. And of course, you know, the day we're going riding, terrible weather. It's been 30 degrees all week. And yeah, terrible now.
Yeah, not the best weather.
No, terrible.
Seems like every time we come out here.
Yeah, just brutal. So we got the X3 out today. We don't have the YXZ because typical, it's still waiting for parts. So we got the Trike out here. We were actually supposed to meet up with another guy who has a RM250 Trike, but he is nowhere to be found. So yeah, no real plan for the day of what we're gonna film here. But yeah, I don't know. We'll drive around and maybe we see something cool, maybe we don't. Maybe that guy crashes his KTM, maybe he hits a guy in the Cowie, maybe the Razor 800 blows his belt. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. You can watch us drive around in the rain in miserable conditions. If you like this kind of stuff, this is the channel for you because it's always a disaster. Nothing ever works out. So yeah, see you later. Watching the suspension on that X3, how it articulates, that's nuts. Like, these are pretty deep books. You've got to be a couple feet deep and it takes it like nothing. I know that probably doesn't look steep on video, but that's pretty steep, boys. Very nice. That was pretty cool.
What's that?
That was pretty cool.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. kind of destroyed the beautiful hill there.
That's when you get in the boost, man.
Yeah, it sounds really nice.
Yeah.
Man. Well, let's find another hill.
Find another hill.
Let's just drive around finding hills, eh?
Yo, you're not supposed to go into the trees, eh? Dude, that was sick, man. Really? Oh, yeah. I don't know. That, oh, shit.
This is just like the worst day ever, dude! This is the worst day ever! Ah.
Okay, okay. Hey, take a break, dude.
I don't think I've ever crashed on that hill, ever.
No,
never in my life.
No, I've never crashed that hill either, but then again, I didn't drive a three-wheeled freaking machine there.
Doesn't want to steer. Found a nice little spot here. Pretty cool. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. You're like getting on limiter there, like. Pretty cool.
Oh boy, I think I tore her up a bit, eh?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, they're sending some stuff flying there. Pretty cool.
That thing is unreal, man. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Okay, okay. Not bad.
The Genesis motor is such a good motor.
Yeah, not with boost, but oh well. Whatever.
Right on, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for making the rip out. Like,
Yeah.
You're pretty far.
Yeah, no, it's good. I want to see this thing anyway, so. Well, that was the RM250 trike. Pretty cool. I didn't think anyone else around here had a newer built trike, but I guess I'm not the only one. Well, that's it, guys.
Did some flippy doos down the hill.
Yeah, did some flippy doos. Yeah, a pretty eventful day. Started out raining, then I started rolling my trike downhill. That was not planned at all. And then yeah, oh yeah, we should look at that. So after rolling this thing a couple times, literally the most expensive plastic piece on the whole trike, the Mayer fender. Oh, yeah, that had to go. Nothing else. Everything else totally mint. The bars, all the levers, everything mint. But the $200 fender, yeah, no, of course that's gone. Anyways, overall pretty good, other than raining and then sunny 5 minutes later and then 5 minutes later raining. Yeah, now that we're done riding, it's beautiful, of course, right? Yeah. But pretty good. XRC did good. Thing's an animal. Yeah. We actually met up with Buddy with that RM250 trike. Was a pretty cool guy.
I got some footage of that.
And you got some footage of that, yeah. So
radius rods are still intact.
Radius rods are not bent. Yeah, surprisingly not bent. Bumps were hit and radius rods weren't bent, which is really weird. So
yeah.
Other than that though, I don't know. I guess that's it for now. Next time, hopefully we'll have the YZ out with the XRC. So like I said, to start, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, whatever you want to do. And yeah, we'll see you later. Peace.